All right, so this is how much space we have to work with, which is a pretty nice amount. So what we're going to do is just enclose this area here. I originally wanted to close off the entire backyard, but it just wraps all the way around, so that's going to be a little bit too much more than I want to spend. So I thought we would just enclose this area here. So what I'm going to do is so this is connected to the back door. All right, so here are the tools that we are going to use. So this is a multi-purpose net, and it is 4 feet by 50 feet, and it's pretty long. We have a staple gun. We have some staples for the staple gun, some zip ties. We have these anchoring stakes, and we're also going to use the netting. Camila, can you bring me the netting? You know, it's in the closet. So we're going to put this all around here. So let's go ahead and see how this turns out. All right, here is a little bit of an update. It's not very easy to see. So we got this layered, this thicker material. You see, it's very thick. We have this on the lower portion around here and all around. So we haven't done this part yet, but we have these two panels here, so you can see close, and we just zip tied it together. You can probably do 2 of these on top of each other, but I had already gotten this one, so I just thought to use it, and I did double it up here because it's like 13 feet, so I doubled it up. So that is nice, and you can't even really tell that it's there. Like, even from here, it doesn't even look like it's enclosed. So we have these little pieces enclosed on the bottom with these little stakes here. We're missing a few, so I have to put a few more stakes in the bottom here, so that way it's nice and sealed. And then on this side here, we got it stapled to the bottom to this little wood little strip here. So this is going to be super secured right here. So the only thing that's going to be difficult that we did not finish is this here, because this goes up so high. We're going to need to get a ladder, and I'm thinking I'm going to move that little thing, move it inside so I can have that as their litter box. We'll see. All right, so we are at our halfway point. I was able to adjust everything on the sides, on the bottom, and this is what the setup looks like right now. And I'm gonna be adding some more like pretty greenery and just making it look really nice in here. This is a really good way to enclose the area, but as you can tell, we have some that have gotten out. So I've had to really work on enclosing it because it's not super sturdy the way that it's set up. Right, we have a little update on our little cat enclosure. Yeah, a little enclosure. We got a new little cat tree out here. You like it, Tiny or Teeny? Yep, they're cozy out here. I moved a litter box here just to kind of see if they liked it, because there's multiple litter boxes back there, but nobody wants to see that. But they're loving it. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Sweetness. Look at that big foot. It's chill to the max right there. Hi, cuteness.